Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Keeping It Real with Credit. My name is Ray, and over the past 7 years, I've been able to help thousands of people transform their credit and change their lives right here on this channel. So if you're tuning in for the first time, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you don't miss any future episodes. Today, I'm going to show you how you can check your annual credit report for free. Federal law actually allows you for a free copy of your credit reports every 12 months for all 3 nationwide credit bureaus, which is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. But since COVID-19 pandemic has happened, the 3 bureaus are still offering a free weekly credit report. This will help you ensure that your credit reports are accurate and up to date, and you can also take steps to improve your credit reports if necessary. All you need to do is head over to annualcreditreport.com, and from there you'll be able to order your free credit reports. Once you're on the website, simply click on Request Your Free Credit Reports. Next, you'll fill out a form with your personal information, pick the reports that you want, answer a few security questions, and that's it. Your credit reports will be generated and you can view them online. You'll repeat this step for each of the credit reports. Keep in mind that you cannot get your scores from annualcreditreport.com, only your credit report information. Now, if you want to see your credit scores, you can check them out for free on creditkarma.com. This is a reputable website that will show you your scores and give you insights into what's impacting your credit scores. You'll be able to get your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports and your Vantage scores. Now, if you want to get your Experian credit score, you can go to Experian.com, which provides a FICO 8 scoring model. Just click on the link to get started on the homepage and fill out the form. And once your account is created, you'll be able to see your credit reports and scores. I put a link in the description below to help you get started today. Experian does offer additional features for a fee if that's something that you're interested in, but you're not required to sign up for anything beyond their credit reports and credit scores. For those of you looking for a site where you can get a 3 bureau credit report and Vantage score each and every month, check out idclub.com. If you use a link in the description, you'll get a 7-day trial for just $1, and then it's $29.95 a month after that. Keep in mind that they also offer identity theft protection, alerts about changes in your credit, 24/7 social security number monitoring, and credit education centers with a member portal. Just click the link in the description below if you want to go ahead and check it out. If you're looking to get your 3 credit reports with FICO scores every month, you can check out myfico.com. The premier plan is currently $39.95 a month, but they do offer some low-priced options. Their basic plan gets you the Experian credit report and FICO scores, and their advanced plans gives you all 3 reports and scores, but only updates once every 3 months. So there you have it. Now you know where to get your free annual credit reports and how to access your credit scores for free. But if you're looking for more of a frequent access to your credit reports and credit scores, you'll be able to get other options just for a small fee. Again, check out the links in the description below to check out the websites I just mentioned. In my next video, I'll show you how to read and understand your credit reports and credit scores so that you can learn how to identify errors and take the next steps to improve your credit scores. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and remember that you can check out my calendar in the description below to speak to me one-on-one for a free credit consultation. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on all things credit.